Student life can be hard, really hard. But it can also be memorable and challenging and fun. Ikaw bahala. This is your journey, your future. We're just here to help you. Oo, kahit hindi enrollment. Together with our growing list of partner schools all over the country and abroad, we're looking to make education affordable and accessible for thousands of students like you. Why? Because we believe in education. We believe in you too. Ikaw ba? Kaya nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Enrollment, thesis, college life crisis, friendship, hardship, adulting, iba't ibang klase ng adulting. Alam naming hindi madali ang buhay estudyante. Pero hindi ka nag-iisa. Nandito ang Bukas. Kasama ka ngayon, kasama ka bukas. So take a deep breath, study well, dream big, dream together. Join our community. Mas masaya ang buhay estudyante pagsama-sama.